I bet you're wondering, how can Davis School District propose a building improvement and construction bond without increasing the tax rate? First, the Building Generations Bond does not require a tax rate increase because rising property values, new homes, and new businesses have broadened the tax base in Davis County. As long as taxable value in the county stays consistent or continues rising, families in Davis County can anticipate no tax rate increases with the passing of the 2022 bond. Furthermore, the district continues to pay off existing debts as scheduled. When new bonds are issued, payments are layered into the district's existing debts as old bonds retire. The district uses long-term conservative financial planning to schedule bond proposals and structure payments in a way to ensure the tax rate remains steady. Fiscal responsibility is important to Davis School District. For more detailed information about the bond's tax impact, please visit our website at dsdbond.net.